me. My mom's over there. And right here is my brother. My bass bro, man. Like her, high five. High five, man. A bass bro. Alright, let's get to fishing. So, to start off, I'm just going to go back to my old tactic. Just using a Phoebe. What was that?
I don't know. Oh,
Pheasants. It sounds like they're saying, I swat the mailman. It's like they're saying that, but in a different tone. I swat the mailman. You hear like a lot of pheasants just making that noise. Let's just say pheasants are a type of North American parrot. Let's just put it that way, a North American parrot. Quote unquote, North American parrot. It does that almost every time. It stopped recording all by itself. I don't know how it does it. No, it isn't. No, it doesn't. Is that a worm right there? There goes another choking parrot. A North American parrot. Oh look, another had something like it. I just hope this video doesn't turn out to be not so good, because if it is, I'm gonna have a bad time. Well, as you can see, my battery is about to die, so I better make this quick, guys. So, oh, fish on! Well, guys, I guess you're gonna see a fish after all. Here, check this out. Got a nice bluegill. One of my favorite things to do with bluegill a lot is to like use it for bait to catch a bass or another type of fish. Ow, I got pricked. You gotta watch with bluegills and perches and a lot of bass with or any other fish that has spines. What? Alright. A little one. That's not gonna eat this bluegill. I usually use the bluegill to target big bass. Well, there it goes. Well, I'm gonna see if I can catch one more bluegill for you, and then I should stop the video. That's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, or I will feed on comments.